Welcome to the photo and document scanning tutorial for the library's Makerspace. Please take a moment to sign into the Makerspace. Jot down the date, your first name, and what equipment you are using. This helps us keep track of statistics so that we're able to provide even more cool stuff. Keep in mind that you can always request a one-on-one appointment with me, Sarah French. My contact information is on the slide there. However, to get started today, open the Makerspace laptop and type in the password, which is Makerspace use only, all lowercase with no spaces. Turn on the scanner by pressing the gray power button on the side. If that doesn't work, make sure that the scanner is plugged into the outlet on the wall. Connect the white USB cable from the scanner to one of the laptop's USB slots. In addition, insert your USB drive into one of the laptop's USB slots. Then open the scanner lid and place the photo or document on the scanner bed aligned in the corner with the arrow. On the laptop's desktop, click the Epson Scan icon to open the application. File Save Settings. Click on Customize and then File Save Settings. Under Location, click Other and then Browse. Select your USB drive from the list and click OK. If not already checked, click the box that says Specify Resolution for Full Auto Mode and change the photograph document DPI to at least 600 if you are scanning photos. The higher the resolution, the longer it will take to scan, but the higher the quality. You can increase this DPI even more, it's just going to take longer to scan. However, like I said, the photo quality will be higher. You don't really need to change this if you're scanning documents. They're fine at the 300 DPI and then will scan more quickly. The image format default is JPEG, so if you're scanning photos, you can just leave that as JPEG. However, if you are scanning a document, change this to a PDF format and press OK. You're now ready to scan. Press the green button on the front of the scanner. The photo or document will scan and then save to your USB drive, and you're all set.